Santa Claus appears and he brings many gifts for the children. Okay. Now, first of all, you tell me what do you do on the Christmas Eve? Yes, we eat cake. Very good. We can eat cake. We can enjoy gifts and distribute chocolates. And one person was there first who was feeling ignored. Okay, but he realized his strength and become a very popular and famous. So this is a story about that, not the person but the animal. The animal is called, that animal name is Rudolph. It was a reindeer. Okay, reindeer, you know reindeers have antlers. Okay, deer do not have antlers, but the reindeer have. So reindeer look like deer, but a little like bigger than the deer, and they have antlers. Right, student? So we are going to learn today lesson 2, the story of Rudolph. Rudolph is a name of reindeer, okay, who was having a red nose. So earlier he was feeling little depressed about his appearance, but later he has made his appearance a strength and became popular. So shall we start the story? Open textbook page number 24. Rudolph lived in Toyland in the North Pole. He was younger and smaller than other reindeer there. Toyland is a place, okay, in the North Pole. In social or in geography, you might have learned about North Pole. North Pole is up, South Pole is down. These are the corners of the earth. So there somewhere in the North Pole there is one Toyland in which these places are very cold. Okay, all over the snow will be there. So Rudolph used to live there in the North Pole, and he was very young and small than the other reindeers. He was smaller than the other reindeers. They all had proud, tall antlers. Antlers means they have their, see, these are the antlers. Okay. So they all had proud, tall antlers. Antlers means horns shaped like branches. Horns shaped like branches. So Rudolph's antlers were very tiny, and worst of all, Rudolph had a nose that was big and bright red. He was having a big and bright red nose. It was so red, it glowed in the dark. Poor Rudolph, he wanted to be like the other reindeer in Toyland. Yes, he wanted to be like the other reindeers who were in the Toyland. The other reindeer made fun of Rudolph and called him names. Like they used to tease Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. They teased. Okay, they used to call them by names. What they used to call Rudolph? Yes, it's a red-nosed reindeer. They used to teased. Before Christmas Eve, Santa's elves posted a sign on the gate to Toyland. You can see one poster here. On Christmas Eve, before the Christmas was there, Santa's elves. What is the meaning of elves? Elves means small creatures with pointed ears. Okay, so you can see the elf in the picture also. You can see this is an elf. So Santa has given his elves a work to sign, to keep a poster on the gate to the toilet. All the reindeers were asked to line up at 8 o'clock in the meadow. Meadow means garden. So Santa Claus was coming to choose the team that would deliver present to every good little boy and little girl in the world. So as you know, Santa gives gifts to everyone. Okay, everyone, anyone from all over the world comes, and so Santa gives them gifts or presents. The reindeer danced with joy when they heard the news that Santa is about to come for the selection. Okay, for the selection, right? Each reindeer hoped he would be chosen to guide Santa's sleigh. Rudolph sighed. He did not want Santa to see his bright nose. At 8 o'clock, when all the reindeer had gone to the meadow, Rudolph hid behind a holly hedge. Behind the thick bush with bright red berries, no one could find Rudolph with his bright red nose. In the meadow, all the reindeer in toilet except Rudolph stood in line while Santa inspected them. Santa chose carefully. Only the fastest and strongest and the best reindeer would do. Now children, what happened here? Each reindeer hopped, and all the reindeers were very excited to know that Santa is coming to choose them. Okay. Each reindeer hoped he would be chosen to guide Santa's sleigh. Now what is the meaning of sleigh? A vehicle that slides over snow. You can see in the picture this sledge. Okay, this is a vehicle which reindeer carry. Okay, so Rudolph sighed. He did not want Santa to see his bright nose. He was very depressed with his appearance. So Santa did not want that Rudolph did not want that Santa should see his red nose. At 8 o'clock, when all the reindeers had gone to the meadow, Rudolph hid behind a holly hedge. Holly hedge means a bush or small tree with hard shiny leaves with sharp pointed and bright red berries in the winter. It's a kind of a bush. Okay, so he hid himself behind the bush so that Santa may not see his red nose. Behind the thick bush with bright red berries, no one could find Rudolph with his bright red nose. In the meadow, all the reindeer in toilet, except Rudolph stood in the line while Santa inspected them. There was no Rudolph except all of them were there. Except Rudolph, all of them were there. Santa chose carefully only the fastest and strongest and the best reindeers. Okay, he has chosen only the fastest and best reindeers. Dasher. One reindeer's name was Dasher. He was the biggest reindeer, said Santa. Dasher wrote his elf assignment in big book. Now the Santa was selecting the reindeers and elf was writing their names in the big book. Now switch to the next page, page number 25. Dancer was selected, Dasher was selected. Dancer is the strongest, said Santa, pulling his beard. Okay, like this. Dancer, wrote the elf. Ho ho, let's see, continued Santa. Prancer and Vixen make the smoothest landing on rooftops. Comet is the fastest and Cupid is the most sure-footed. I picked them. What Santa, who all have chosen Santa? One is Dancer, another is Dasher, one is Vixen, then Prancer and Comet, Cupid. All the reindeers' name were there who have Santa. Okay, and said Santa, I chose Donger and Blitzen. Again, two more he has chosen. They are best at turning over treetops and landing smoothly. When all the selections were done, the reindeer danced and clinked. Clinked means they dashed their horns with each other, and it made a sound. That sound is called clinking sound. So they clinked their antlers together in happiness. Even the reindeer who weren't chosen were given good jobs. Okay, the best one he has chosen. Others were also doing good, but they were not the best, so they were not chosen. Even the reindeers who were not chosen were given good jobs. What jobs they have done? One was to try out toy electric trains. Another was to hug Christmas kittens. The only reindeer without a job was Rudolph, because he was ignoring himself only. He wanted to help, but he knew others would laugh at him. So he stayed behind the holly hedge. At last, it was Christmas Eve. Santa's elves were busy packing the sleigh. I don't care if they make fun of me, said Rudolph suddenly. Now earlier, the Rudolph was feeling very shy, and he was not wanting to express himself in front of others because he was very shy about his red nose. All of a sudden, what happened? He said, I don't care, let them make fun of me. If they make fun of me also, I don't care, said Rudolph suddenly. I want to help too. He dashed from his hiding place, that was the behind the holy hedge, and went to find Santa. The night was bitter cold and terrible fog covered the earth. Children, as you know, at the Christmas time there will be a terrible cold. It will be a bitter cold is the correct word. Bitter cold will be there, and in the North Pole it is the coldest place, so it was a bitter cold there at night. Santa's elves kept bumping into each other as they hitched up the team. Hitched up means here put belts and reins on all the reindeers and tied them in front of the sledge. See, you can see one sledge through which all the reindeers have been tied up. Okay, students? So they have hitched up. They could hardly see as they put on each bright red harness. What is red harness? Red harness means red color. Harness means the belt through which all the reindeers were tied, and they were ready to carry the sledge. So harness is a belt through which horses or many other animals will be able to carry the sledge easily. So harness they have tied, and each reindeer was wearing a jingle bell. And where is my Christmas list? Now Santa appeared. It was too dark because it was night, and Santa was not able to see anything. So he told, I cannot see a thing in this fog, cried Santa. Because it was so dark and he was not able to see his Christmas list, so he cried. And he was looking very anxious. Just then a soft red glow lit up the snow. Thank goodness, said Santa, suddenly jolly again. I have found my list. Ho ho. Now again, what happened? suddenly this Rudolph appeared with his red nose, and with the light of his red nose, Santa may be able to see the list what is written. So his nose appeared as a lantern. Lantern means kind of a torch. So that Santa could see the list. So Santa became very happy, and he has become again jolly, and he said, "Ho ho! I found my list." He found his list. "Who brought this fine lantern?" asked Santa. "I must take it with me." "It's not a lantern," said Rudolph shyly. "The light comes from my nose." He said, "It's not a lantern." He told, "This light comes from my nose." "Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer," said Santa, "I'm glad to see you. Your light will guide my sleigh tonight." Like he was about to lead the sleigh. "So I appoint you head of my team." Now Santa has appointed the Rudolph, a red-nosed reindeer, as the team leader, and he was about to lead the sleigh or team. It is okay. He has appointed him the head of the team. Rudolph held his head high. He held his head high. So said Rudolph shyly, "The light comes from Proudly he walked to the front of the team. All the other reindeer bowed. Bowed means they turned down, bowed with respect. Donger and Dancer helped Rudolph put on his harness. Then down through the clouds and over the sleeping houses, Santa and his team flew on his foggy Christmas Eve, and leading the whole procession was Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Now the red-nosed reindeer was leading the whole procession. Right, students? So this is a story about Rudolph, which was earlier he was feeling very shy about his appearance. Then afterwards he left his shy behavior and he moved forward, and suddenly he became confident, and he was ready to help people. So he came forward and got a chance, and at last he has become the leader. So you also can become the leader. This is the moral of the story.